Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today my guest is Wurkkos new flashlight FC12. Let's open the box. Opening the box now, we see one lanyard in black and also this is our flashlight. You also get the Type-C USB charger and some extra pieces, the O-rings, user's manual, and one thank you card. Let's start with the technical specifications. You can stop the video to check them. I'll briefly talk about them. There are some 6 or 7 modes in this version FC12. This flashlight also features impact resistance up to 1 meter and water resistance. It has IPX8. Also, as I said before, Type-C charging is available. There is also the power indicator here. When it is on, this is red. That means remaining battery power is poor, less than 30%. When it is green, it is over 30%. And when it is flashing red, in fact, you need to charge it as soon as possible. Now, let's talk about the flashlight itself. It is black, as you can see, and it is made of aluminium. Basically, there is this charging port, and apart from that, clip, and there are 2 main buttons, one here and one on the tail. The one on the tail is for on and off. Now it is on, as you can see. When you press this button here, it is changing modes. Let's kill my lights and I'll show you. So it is on and I'm pressing. Changing between the modes. This must be the lowest one. Eco. Low. Medium. High. And I think it's not on turbo currently because the battery is not high enough. So this is how you change modes, but there is also the ramping mode. How will you change between the standard operating mode and the ramping mode? Basically, you need to press the button here 4 times when it is on. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we now changed the modes. We are currently on the ramping mode. On the ramping mode, as long as you press the button here, the light changes. This is the highest I can get now. I'm pressing again. It is diminishing, as you can see. You need to press and hold. Now this is the lowest you can get on the ramping mode. Lowest, I'm pressing and holding. Yes. One flash shows you it is on the highest one now. Again, pressing and holding. Diminishing and lowest. This is an interesting option, in fact. Many of the flashlights I have checked up to now do not have such an operating mode, so I think it's useful. I like that. You can adjust it as you want. Apart from that, as I said before, you have the SOS and beacon and strobe. In order to activate these modes, you simply press twice to this button here. When you press twice, it is directly going to the turbo. When you press and hold again, yes, lowest one, you need to press 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now we will be changing modes between the SOS, beacon and strobe. Press twice. Yes. Press twice again. This must be the beacon. Real cool. I really like that. So, today we were with Wurkkos FC12, and that is all I will tell you currently about it, but I have also made the night tests as well, and they will be at the end of this video, so please go check them to see how Wurkkos functions at the night. Thanks for being with me today, guys, and thanks Wurkkos. Have a good day.